Hi, today we're going to talk about donation receipts. And if you're constantly generating donation receipts for your business or requirement, then you want to generate PDF files on automation, then this video is for you. As you can see, I have got a Google document placed over here where I have created a donation receipt template file. And corresponding to this receipt, I also have a donation receipt database which I have created in Notion. What we'll be doing today is we'll be creating PDF file one by one for every row of this Notion database using the information from the database and this particular Google document template file that we have over here. So we'll link up this document, we will link up this Notion database and we'll create three PDF files on automation with the help of the automation setup. So first of all, for this, we need to head over to PDFOutput.com. This is a website which will help you create the entire automation setup. Simply sign in over here with one of your accounts. Make sure you enable this checkbox, which is very much essential for generating the PDF file. So this must be enabled. Click on continue. And once you end up inside the dashboard, you will see a screen like this. First thing is we need to add the database which is going to be used. So click on add Notion database, click on connect to Notion. And let me copy the database title from this setup screen and click on select pages and just enter the database title inside the search box. Select the database that you need and you will see that donation receipt database is already added. Click on allow access and now it will gain access to the database which can be used for our automation setup. So just wait. If you're not able to see the database, simply reload the page and you will definitely be able to see the database coming up over here. So now you can see the donation receipt database is showing over here. Click on next. It's time to add the Google document. So click on add Google document, click on select Google document. And what I will do is I will copy the document title from here. So I'll just simply copy the title and I'll go to the document view and paste the title inside this field and search for it. And you can see the document title appearing here. Click on this and click on select. So now the document as well as database, both the things have been added. And you can see we have the Notion properties visible on the right side, which can be used to map to the fields on the document on the left side. So first thing is we need an organization name. So I will just search for name property if I have it. So I have organization name. Click to copy the organization name and remove the part which we do not need inside the document and simply use Ctrl V or Command V on your keyboard to paste it. So we need to copy and paste all the stuff. After this, we need address property. So I need the organization address for this. Click to copy. Simply remove the part which is not needed and use Ctrl V or Command V to paste it. After this, we need the zip code. So I'm going to copy the zip code from here and I'm going to remove this property and paste it. So it's just copying and pasting all the stuff. So click to copy and use your keyboard shortcut Ctrl V or Command V to paste it. Following this process, I have already mapped all the other fields beforehand. Now let's generate the PDF. Click on download PDF and you have multiple options available over here. I will go with all the rows, and for this what I will do is I want to select the receipt number which I have to name the PDF file. So I will just go to the receipt number column that I have over here and I can select that and I can click on start download. Now it will generate the PDF files for me which I can reference later on. So you can see the first file is already out. So this is the first record which it has generated. Let's wait for the other two files to be created and then we can see the records and one glance. So all the three PDFs have been created. Let's go to the download folder. So this is the first file which it has generated and you can see all the fields have been properly mapped that we had mapped during the mapping field section. So as you can see, we have got all the three files created. This is the second file which has been generated. And then we have the last file 1001 which has also been created. So basically we quickly created three PDF files completely on automation using the information from the database that we had over here. So this is how simple and easy it is to generate the donation receipts. Add the database, add the document, map the fields by copying and pasting and download the PDF in one go. If you have any questions for this, reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com or you can chat with me at the bubble that we have over here and send me a message with your queries. I'll be happy to take up the issues on this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.